Hello.
Hi. Gosh,
I'm
it's
just
a
filming it now.
beauty. It's a beauty.
Wow,
Hi
you're
there.
beautifully bright.
Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this? Hello.
It's moving slow.
Yeah.
Is it?
I said to you
Hello.
it was moving. Wow.
So it's
It's so steady and bright and beautiful. Hi there.
oh, it's
Hi.
there are other things moving too.
Oh, come over this
There's
way.
a faint
gorgeous.
one on kind of
Oh,
behind
this is
it.
superb, honey.
Hello.
Wowza.
I'm just tracking it.
It's beautiful. We love you. Wow.
It's staying quite bright.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Steady. Focused and beautiful.
Wow, it's really bright.
Oh, how cool. Oh, it's amazing.
Wow. It's going to go behind the trees in a second.
It's so big.
Wow. Hello.
Hello. I wonder if it'll keep coming. Oh, here's one here. Here's one here. Here, can you
Whoa.
see that
Hold on, what's that?
one? Yeah, what is
That's
that?
a different one.
Oh, yes, I know. And this one's getting even brighter now. I can see it through the trees.
Oh, here it is.
Yeah, did you get this little one as well?
I did for a bit.
Oh, it's getting bigger.
Whoa. Look at
Is it
you.
gold? Has it gone golden?
I don't think it's
coloured
gold.
up. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's like I can see its shape, honey. Wow. Hey, beautiful. We love
Wow. It's going to go behind the tree.
you. Wow. And this one's coming over, right over our head now. The smaller of the two.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, goodness. Wow, it's so bright. It's still going, honey.
Yeah. It's about
Come
to
all
come
the
out
way
the other
across
side of
around
the tree.
sky.
There he is.
Wow. Who might it be?
I don't know.
It's just so incredible.
We don't normally see that.
It's getting bigger, not smaller. Oh, I wish you had stills so we could see. Oh, that is fantastic.
Well, it's really bright. Look how bright it is.
I know, and big.